Hi treasures, today I'll be making lemongrass tea. Here is my lemongrass which I've washed and tied like this so that it will be able to enter my pot. It's this formally like this. This is lemongrass. I bought this today in the market. Fresh lemongrass. So and I've just cut out the one I'm going to cook, washed and tied it. I'll be making my lemongrass tea with a pineapple peel. Here is my frozen pineapple peel from the pineapple juice I made in my previous video. So here is the peel I got from it. I washed this very well before I peeled the pineapple and then I froze it depending on when I'll use it. So today I'm using it for our lemongrass tea and I'll be adding it ginger. I've also washed the ginger, but I'm going to peel it and slice it into tiny bits, or I can also grate it. I'll either grate or cut it into tiny bits. So into my pot, I'll add the lemongrass, add the pineapple peel, I grated the ginger, so I'll add the ginger, add water, cover and transfer to the stove. I'm adding this tea. Use any tea of your choice. I'll off the gas. Then cover and allow the tea to brew in there for about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Depends on you how strong you want it. But for me, I don't like it too strong. So I'll leave it for about 3 minutes and then I will sieve the tea out. Thank you. So here we have our lemongrass, pineapple and the ginger tea. You can also make it in large quantity, store in the refrigerator for about 2 days, warm it up anytime you want to drink, or if you prefer it cold, you can drink it like that. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.